Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Hajar. I'm from DBT 4B. So my normal metric is 23, DBT 28.032. So today I want to do the experiment of the factor affecting the rising of the dough. So this is the apparatus and material we need in the experiment. So we have the flour, sugar, yeast, ruler, 4 beaker, and measuring spoon. And we have the room temperature water, warm water, cool water, and the last is hot water. First, take the yeast, 1 teaspoon yeast, and then 1/4 teaspoon for sugar, after that add the water, 30 ml water, so this is water room temperature. And we need to mix. Stir gently. So after that, we add the flour, 30 gram, and mix. And keep it until they become a smooth dough. So press the dough to fill up any air space at the bottom of the cup and level the dough on the top. So now we need to close the dough at the room temperature for 18 minutes and measure height of the dough every 20 minutes. Initial room temperature water 0.9 cm, 20 minutes 1.8 cm, 40 minutes 3 cm, 16 minutes 3.6 cm, and the last is 18 minutes 4.8 cm. So next is for cool water. So the procedure is same. 1 teaspoon yeast, and 1/4 teaspoon for sugar. And add 30 ml the cool water. So now we need to mix them. Stir gently. So then add 30 gram flour. Then we need to mix. So we need to press the dough to fill up any space at the bottom of the cup and level dough at the top. So after that, we need to leave the dough at the room temperature for 18 minutes and measure height of the dough every 20 minutes. Initial cold water 0.4 cm. 20 minutes is 2.1 cm. 40 minutes is 2.2 cm. 60 minutes is 2.3 cm. And the last is 18 minutes to 2.3 cm. So for the third is for warm water. So we need to 1 teaspoon of yeast, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. And then we need to add 30 ml of warm water. And then mix them. We need to slowly stir gently. And then add 30 gram of flour. We need to press dough to fill up any space at the bottom of the cup and level the dough at the top. So now the dough is smooth and we need to leave the dough at the room temperature for 18 minutes and see the height of the dough every 20 minutes. Initial warm water is 0.9 cm, 20 minutes 2.8 cm, 40 minutes 3 cm, 16 minutes is 3.7 cm, and the last is 18 minutes 4.3 cm. So for the last is for hot water. So we need to 1 teaspoon of yeast, and 1/4 sugar teaspoon, and we need to add the hot water 30 ml. So now we need to mix them. So then we need to add 30 gram flour and mix. So now we need to press the dough to fill up any space at the bottom of the cup, and level the dough at the top. So then we need to close the beaker and leave the dough at the temperature room for 18 minutes and measure height of the dough every 20 minutes. Initial hot water 0.6 cm. 20 minutes into 18 minutes is 0.7 cm.